If you watched my last video, you already know how to automate your data extraction. But here's the thing. What good is automated data if you are still manually sending it to everyone? Let me paint you a picture. You have got your beautiful automated report, but you are still spending an hour writing emails, attaching files, and making sure everyone gets the right version. Sounds familiar? Well, that stops today. We are going to use ChatGPT to create an Outlook automation that does everything for you. And when I say everything, I mean everything. Let me show you something crazy. Watch what happens when I click this single button. Boom! 1,000 personalized emails all sent in under 5 minutes. But here's where it gets even better. So this is our prompt which we have created using the golden formula. So we have clearly mentioned in the persona that you are a senior VBA automation expert who specializes in Microsoft Office integration and email automation systems. In the context, we have mentioned that I have an Excel workbook containing a sheet named executive_KPIs, and we also tell it that we have a column named called zone_manager_email with all the email addresses. So in the task, we clearly ask it to read the worksheet which is executive_KPIs and identify the unique email addresses from the zone_manager_email. And then we also ask it to filter data based on this column and then create a professional HTML email body with proper greeting, brief the summary of the data, and then formatted table of their specific KPI as per Google branding color. So we are assuming that we work for Google, and a professional signature at the end. And we also ask it to attach Excel file with the filtered data, sends the email using the Outlook. So we have clearly mentioned all that, and we have also asked it to create email_log worksheet which will show us the status of the email that we have sent. So let's try this prompt in ChatGPT and let's see what happens. Meanwhile, we'll open the report. So now I have come to this file which we had generated in the previous video. I have added another column called zone manager_email, and I have added emails as per the zones. So we have 4 zones and 4 unique email addresses. So ideally this code should send 4 email addresses, filtering the records based on the zone manager email. So let's press Alt plus F11, go to insert, click on module, just paste the code here, press Ctrl plus S to save the code, and now we'll press Alt plus F8 and we'll run this. So you can see it has created a email_log sheet and it has sent 4 emails. Let's go to Outlook and check. So you can see it has sent 4 emails zone wise, north, south, east and west, and it has even filtered the records based on their zones. It has pasted the KPIs here as well, and it has attached the file as well as per the Google's branding. For me, the macros ran in the first instance itself, but it could be a situation that you might face some challenges. So if you face any error while running the VB script, so you can just paste the error ChatGPT's window and it will rectify the code for you, and you can run the updated code which will work for you. In my next video, I am going to show you how to automatically create pivot tables from this data. You won't believe how powerful this gets.